Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to review all the products from Rhode. I've been testing out both skincare and makeup for the past few months, and now I feel like I'm ready to give you my full review on each product. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored, so you're going to get my 100% honest review. So let's get started. Before we get into the product, I want to quickly talk about the brand Rhode. It was co-founded by Hailey Bieber and was recently acquired by Elle for $1 million. The brand's first launched with skincare and started building their identity around that glazed donut skin aesthetic. Later, they expanded to makeup, lip gloss, blush, and lip liner. And obviously, we should talk about this phone case. So I think Rhode, the brand itself, know how to do the marketing and how to make the products go viral. And it's like perfect mix of fashion and beauty, and that's what Hailey Bieber wanted to create in this brand. Now let's talk about skincare. To be honest, I'm pretty skeptical about celebrities' skincare products, especially from Western brands. If you know skincare or if you ever try Korean skincare products, you know what good skincare it is and how affordable it could be with still good quality. And most of the time, celebrities' brands' skincare products are either too fragrant or not hydrating enough, so I don't have that good experience, to be honest. But for Rhode, I think I should say this is like exceptional case because I was pretty surprised when I first tried all of the products, and there's some of the products that I actually like. The first product that really surprised me was this glazing milk. This kind of milky toner is something you can easily see from Korean brands like Laneige, I'm from Tint, etc. And slowly starting to get into this Western market, like the Ilia milky toner and this Rhode toner. If I compare this with Korean milky toner, I would say this one feels more silky or absorbs really quickly rather than leaving that tacky feeling on your face. I think this is like pretty common when you use like skincare from Western brands. I found that it doesn't really leave that tacky feeling or usually leaves a pretty matte or satin finish. While I was testing this toner at first, I was using the Tint toner at the same time, so I was switch between them depending on what my skin needs. And this is a product that I would use when I want more light hydration rather than deep hydration, because Tint one, it gives you like extra glow on your face. There's like a lighter version, but I use that normal version, and that gives you really nourishing and hydrating feel on your skin instantly. Compared to that toner, I would say this one is less hydrating and more lightweight. So if you prefer something that is not too nourishing or not too heavy, this will be a better option for you compared to other Korean skincare products. And still, if you want a more deep hydration with this product, you can put like a multiple layers of it, then you can get that glazing donut skin look. One thing I noticed when my skin was very sensitive, I sometimes felt like slight tangling after using it. It doesn't happen often, but it's still something you should keep in mind if you have super sensitive skin. This product is packed with a lot of hydrating and nourishing skincare ingredients. The key ingredient is ceramide, which are super nourishing for your skin. It also have a mineral complex, which is a blend of magnesium, zinc, and copper, and that helps protect your skin barrier and makes your skin looking smooth. With all of these ingredients blended, you can easily feel like your skin getting plump once you apply this product, so your skin texture will look smooth and like a glazed donut. Overall, this is a pretty rich and milky toner, but still pretty lightweight compared to other Korean skincare products. So I think this will be great for all skin types, but if you have super sensitive skin, I would recommend to try the product at Sephora because they're actually available at Sephora right now, so you can try it first and see how your skin reacts. And next product is this Peptide glazing fluid. They describe this product as lightweight gel serum, and that's exactly what it is. Out of all Rhode skincare products I tried, this one was pretty disappointing for me. When you think of serum, you might expect something rich, deeply nourishing, and more hydrating than toner, but this one actually feels lighter than the glazing milk, so I feel like, is this really serum? The consistency is like a light well gel, so I think this will be like more in between gel and serum. Once you blend into your skin, it instantly becomes like a water-like texture, so it sprays just like a serum. It absorbs really quickly and and once it's dry, it leaves a slight hydration, but overall it's very lightweight. I have dry skins and I usually put like multiple layers of serum or like this type of toner to make sure my skin gets enough hydration, but I'm not sure where this product will fit into my skincare routine because it's so lightweight, but it's not that thick enough to use as a serum. But I'll also have this glazing milk or other like nourishing or hydrating toners. The ingredients are pretty similar to this glazing milk, so you can think of this as like a lighter or serum version of this milky toner. So overall, if you're contemplating between these two products, or if you are about to buy these two, I would say it's better to just buy this product, then you will have enough hydration on your skin, because this one doesn't do the job as a serum that much. Next up is this Barrier Restore Cream. This is just everyday cream that you can use whenever your skin needs that basic hydration. I was actually surprised by how like good it is, because it's not something that I expect from celebrity skincare brands. The consistency is like regular cream. It's not too thick or not too lightweight. It's just like everyday cream formula, so you apply smoothly onto your skin, and as soon as you apply, you can feel slight nourishment on your skin. It's not something that you feel gel like hydration. It's more like a nourishing side, so it's really great for my dry skin during like summertime. I think this is the kind of moisturizer I would actually reach out whenever my skin needs just like basic hydration and very simple one. Some of the key ingredients are peptides, which helps your skin looking more plumping or firm, and shea butter, which is nourishing emollient that helps your skin looking smooth. Overall, this is such a great everyday cream that any skin type can use. So next product is one of my favorite products from Rhode, and it's Pineapple Refresh Daily Cleanser. This one doesn't make your skin really tight or dry, so it's really gentle, hydrating everyday cleanser. I was really surprised by how gentle it is when I first tried this product. The consistency is liquidy gel that already feels hydrating when you touch it. Once you rub it, it turns into a light lather and creates some foam, but it's not an overly foamy cleanser. When you rub it, you can actually feel the hydration. After rinsing, your skin doesn't feel tight or dry at all. It just feels comfortable and feels really good. One of the key ingredients is pineapple enzyme, which acts as a gentle natural exfoliator that helps your skin look smooth. Although it has like an exfoliating effect, it doesn't feel that scrubbing type of sensation, so your skin will get smoother without any irritation. Overall, this is a great everyday cleanser that doesn't dry out your skin. Also, it comes in like such a big size for that $30, and I think this is pretty affordable compared to other brands out there, so I love this product. Next up is this Glazing Mist, which they recently launched. It is just a facial spray made with ingredients similar to this Rhode glazing milk, so this is like a spray version of this toner. Honestly, this has to be my most favorite product from Rhode Skincare. I didn't expect this mist to be this fine. I tried so many facial mists before, and most of the products comes out too heavily or just soaking your face with just one pump, but this one sprays like super finely, so it gives you that luxury feel. I love using this facial mist before doing my makeup, because when you do your morning skincare and you have to do your makeup after a few hours, your skin can get dry already. That's where this mist comes in. So I just spray all over my face and my skin looks glowy, hydrating enough, and then I start doing my makeup. And I also use this after doing all of my makeup to make sure my makeup look glowy or melt together, so that my skin wouldn't look that cakey, and it gives you that sheen glow, not that crazy like oily glow, so it's just perfect for like everyday facial mist. Next product is a lip gloss, and it is Peptide Lip Treatment. I was so excited to try this at first. You know, I'm obsessed about like glossy lips and lip balms, anything that makes my lips so glowy. And I tried tons of like lip balm products out there, and I would say this is just like average product and just like a mid-tier for my dry lips and for my preference. It has glossy oil-like texture, but it's not that thick enough to hydrate my lips or more keep the hydration like last all day. And personally, I prefer lip balms that leave that tacky or sticky feeling, so they just stick to your lips like a glue so that the hydration lasts all day. But this one feels more like slippery, so it just glides more like a smoothly on your lips while just moving around a little bit more. I will talk about the glows, like a tinted version of this later, but I actually prefer this with tint version instead of just normal skincare product. They have both unscented or scented version, and they have very unique scent from their collection. And what I love about this product is actually scent. I'm not usually a fan of like strong artificial smell from makeup products or even skincare products especially, but this is salted caramel scent, and it smells literally like salted caramel, and it smells so good. And they also recently launched this lemon teeny scent for their summer collection, and it smells like not that artificial lemon candy smell. It's really like pleasant scent, I would say. So I think they did such a great job making this scent more pleasant. So overall, if you have super dry lips, or if you want something more like sticky, like a lip mask, I don't think this will be the product you want to try, because I think there are much better options out there in the market. Now let's move on to my favorite part, makeup. And the first product is my most favorite, the best, is this Rhode Pocket Blush. I featured this multiple times on my channel, and I love this product, and I have all the shades. I think what makes this product unique is first is packaging. This like chubby, big packaging is something that you don't really see from other blushes. Normally it has that thin packaging. And then it's a cream formula, so it glides on your skin really smoothly. And it has my favorite skincare ingredient, oil, which gives your skin really nourishing and hydrating at the same time. So it gives you that glossy blush look, and also it has pretty like strong coverage, I would say, compared to other like natural looking blushes. So one swipe should be enough. This shade is Sleepy Girl, and it's more like cool tone mauvey pink shade. And my favorite shade is actually Toasted Teddy or Piggy. I think one of the best selling shades should be this Toasted Teddy. You can see it's really rich burgundy plum shade with more like a warm undertone, so it gives that bronzy blush look. So it's perfect for that summer or fall that you want to get that more deep blush look rather than that bright or vibrant color. I would normally use this as like a bronzer slash blush, so I just apply this on the side of my face so that I can get more like sculpted look. And when I use that Piggy, like a light pink shade, I just put it on the center of my face to get more like useful look or vibrant color. And because it's very creamy and rich, I don't think this blush lasts that long, so you have to maybe put another layer after a few hours, or you put powder on top so they may last longer. Overall, if you love natural makeup and that glossy finish, you will love this product. If I have to pick like one product from their collection, I would say this blush. Next we have this tinted lip gloss. It is Peptide Lip Tint. Although the name said is lip tint, it's not that stain tint like Korean lip tint. It's more like a color gloss, so it doesn't stain anything on your lips. I would say this is really hydrating and nourishing, like balmy texture type of lip gloss that gives you that deep hydration on your lips. I would say this one feels more nourishing than the like normal skincare lip gloss. I don't know why, but I feel like this one feels much better and more hydrating on my lips. So I love using this one. I almost use every single day. It's so good. My favorite shades are these two. First one is this ribbon. It's like light pink shade that gives your lips like vibrant, more useful look. And the next one is this toast shade that is like perfect muted nudie brown shade with a slight like pinkish tone. It's just perfect for that everyday look, like natural lip gloss. So this two shades are my favorites. Especially I love wearing these two shades paired with this Rhode lip liner or lip shade, because both are very natural, creamy and sheer type of makeup products, so it goes really well and creates the perfect glossy natural lip look. So overall, if you are looking for that tinted lip gloss that doesn't leave any stain and you just want something that makes your lips very glowy with a little bit of a color, this will be a perfect option for you. Last but not least, we have lip liner, and this is Rhode Peptide Lip Shape. Although this looks like lip liner, the brand claims that this is more like a lip contour. So lip liner is something that you draw the lines and it gives you more like a strong color payoff, and it looks very obvious on your lips. So you can clearly see there's a line on your lips when you wear this pencil type of lip liner. But this one is very creamy and very natural. So this is a shade Stretch. Although this shade is like brown shade, if you see the pigment, it's very like creamy and it blends really nicely. So you can get like blurry brown lip liner look. So it's just perfect for the natural looking lip liner look. So I personally don't like the lines to like looking too obvious on your lips. Like you draw a very intense line and you just put on the gloss in the center, and then there's like a two separation, lines and gloss. But I love blending all together, so you can not see the lines clearly, but it still look more defined and sculpted. So this is perfect for that type of look. So one of my favorite shade is this Twist. It's just perfect brownish pink shade that is very natural and like perfect to contour lips a little bit. I'm wearing right now, so I draw a little bit of line over my lips and then I put like a lip gloss on the center, so it creates like perfect sculpted volumized lip look. But the thing about this product first is the packaging. At the end is like a blender or like a tip that you are supposed to smudge your lips after drawing your lines. But I don't think this is a very practical tool. It's better to just smudge up with your lips because it's just quick and easy. So I don't use this tip. Also, it doesn't last that long. You already saw that after I blend it, it just disappears. So you have to keep reapplying if you want the color looks consistent. So people like complain about that creaminess and very sheer coverage, but I think it depends on preference. Some people love the high pigment, like very strong stain lip liner, and some people like this type of contour or lip contour or very natural lip liner. So for me, because I love natural makeup and I love natural looking lip liners, so this is just perfect for my type of look. So if you're looking for this type of natural looking lip liner and something you can like contour lips, not drawing like straight lines or very obvious line, you might want to try this. So yeah, these are all of my 100% honest review on each product from Rhode. I hope you guys find it helpful. If I have to pick my favorite product from skincare and makeup, for skincare it has to be this glazing mist, and for makeup it should be this cream blush. So whenever my friend asks me what to get from Rhode, I always recommend the blush. And for skincare, I think this is really like luxury feel and very hydrating and fine mist that worth the money. So please let me know if you have tried any product from Rhode, and if you have any favorites, please let me know in the comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.